Hello guys, it's Riley here, and I know I already did one of these today, but I have made a whole bunch of more slimes, so I'm going to be going over my slimes. We have a lot here, so I'm going to begin with my samples. I have 4 samples, they're all the same. And then I have a big one of that. If you give me just 1 second.
Warner said they had 20 witnesses lined up. They had a bunch of staffers.
Give me 1 second, guys. Okay, so I have a big one of it too for mine. I'm gonna bring those samples to school. But I just made this one. So yeah, this one's still a little new feeling. It's like a confetti. So. There's that one. This next one does not have samples because this one I love and this one's my favorite. So I do not make samples of this one. So it's called Beady Blue. I think I named it Beady Blue. It's got beads in it. And it's blue, so I named it Beady Blue. But yes, it was really easy to make. Yeah, so. Yeah, so there's that one. This next one is called Orange Creamsicle. It's orange. I think this one, yeah, has sparkles in it. Yeah, this one is bigger. It's a big one too. So yeah, there's. I hope I don't get my room nasty. This one's sticky. I need to add some shaving cream to it. But yep, there's that one. I'm just glad I still don't have a broken finger. Okay, so the next one is called Olivia Orange Slime with 3 beads. She called it. It's my sister's slime. This one's, I don't know why, but her slime's weird. She made it different. I don't know. Her slime's not stretchy. It needs some. It's barely even stretchy. Hers needs some. But she needs just some. What is it called? Contact lens solution. See, yeah, it's not stretchy, so that's that. That's the Olivia Orange. That's what she named it. The next one I made, it's called Fluffy Glitter Slime. It's white and it has like a whole bunch of colors of glitter in it. It has a couple beads in it. This one is really big. So I'm gonna step back for this one. This is bigger than my hands. It smells so good. I used 2 different scents. It has beads in it as well. I don't know why I put that one in there. But this one's my favorite. I put beads in it. It's my favorite. So. I love this so much. Yeah, so there's that beautiful one. The next one is called Purple Sparkle. It looks like that. This one is my favorite. It's pink. No, it's Pink Sparkle. I don't know why I said Purple Sparkle, because it's not purple. And it's getting on my carpet. I'm gonna get in trouble if it sticks to it. Oh my gosh. Okay, so I put a blanket towel under my feet. So this one is like really, really. This is my first good slime made. Yes. I made another one, but somebody